Hi everyone, Piet Calamijn here. I hope you're having an awesome day. So in today's video I would like to show you a very simple trick how you can verify your bare PCB board. If you have sent out your PCB to manufacturer, it comes back. Typically you expect of course the board to be okay, but from time to time some layers might have been interchanged. This trick is a very simple trick to immediately see if your board has been manufactured correctly. Let's dive into it. So this is a 24 layer PCB. Now, how are you going to know, let's say that layer number 11 is not interchanged with layer number 22? What you could do is on the edge of the board, you make a copper track, and that edge of the board will be sawn off. So it means that the copper track will be visible if you look at the edge of the board. Now, what you will do in every layer, you make that copper track a bit longer, so that if everything is made in a correct way, you will see that the stripes are just increasing as you go along. What you see over here is that this stripe, and that's layer 11, is much longer than you would expect it to be. And then you have this stripe, it's maybe barely visible here, but this one is too short. So these two layers, they have been interchanged, layer 11 and layer 22. Just by looking at the edge of the board, you know I am not going to assemble this board. There's clearly has been a mistake. Send it back to the manufacturer and redo it. The fact that you can do that check will save you a tremendous lot of time. Imagine that you are going to assemble that board. It is a 24 layer board, so good luck trying to verify what is going on here. So I hope you liked this very simple trick. If you have any questions, of course, as always, feel free to put them in the comments below. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And of course, if this channel is interesting for you, feel free to subscribe. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.